Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing the second part of the Crazy Tech Reviews mail call series I started on this channel. Now, for those of you who haven't watched one of these videos before, basically I take a look at packages that were sent in by viewers, companies, basically anything that has to do with the channel, or any packages that were sent to the channel. And sometimes even stuff that I ordered that I thought you guys might find interesting to see unboxed on the channel if it didn't already make it into some video or something. So that's basically what these videos are. And so in today's video we're basically just going to be taking a look at all the stuff that you guys have sent into the channel in the past year, I think, because it's been about a year since I made one of these videos. So the first item here you guys have probably already seen. This is the Blue SCSI, and it is a project developed originally by Eric Helgeston, which allows you to use a modern microSD card as a hard drive for most older vintage Mac models. I did purchase this item myself for a review video I did a few months back, and if you want to see that video, I'll link to it down in the description below. And here's the Blue SCSI itself. Of course, this needs to be assembled, but I actually did that in the review video I did on this product several months ago, so be sure to check that out if you're interested. Next up here we have a package from PCBWay, which, by the way, they did not sponsor this or even though I'm doing this video. I'm just showing the packages that were sent regarding the channel, so just keep that in mind. Now, this actually was for a recent video I did as well, and as you can see here, these are actually some 3D printed cosmetic pieces for the Compact Pro Linea I restored. Now, the reason for these is actually because the original pieces that the Compact used have become incredibly brittle, and both of them have actually broken off of my system, so I modeled these, and PCBWay offered to 3D print them for free. So I went into much more detail on these in that actual video, so be sure to check that out if you haven't already. I'll also leave a link to these cosmetic pieces on Thingiverse if anyone is interested in making some for your own compact system. These next two packages were both sent in by Ron from Ron's Computer Videos, and this first one here contains a giveaway item he actually sent to me. This here is a cute little pin that contains his channel logo and also some interesting links here along the rim of it, as you can see here, to his YouTube and Twitter, I believe. This next package here is what is more interesting in my opinion, and as you can see here, the first thing it contains are actually different 500 subscriber giveaway models he offered to send me in case I needed some extra, and these are printed with just a normal 3D printer, so they don't exactly have the quality as the other ones, but they're still really nicely done, and I really appreciate him for offering to send them out to me. And as you can see, there's another 3 of them right here. But what's really generous of him for sending in this package here are these. Now, this first thing here is a completely sealed copy of Microsoft MS-DOS, and also we have a completely sealed copy of Microsoft Windows, and I'm going to leave them sealed, so don't freak out. I'm not going to be opening those, and I really appreciate Ron sending these out to me, so thanks a ton for that. So yeah, that's going to be it for episode 2 of the CTR mail call video. I want to thank the people this month who sent out packages, PCBWay and Ron from Ron's Computer Videos especially. And to anyone who's interested, if you're interested in helping financially support this channel, be sure to go ahead and check out my Patreon, links below, and you'll get early access to videos like this one and any other videos I do for the main channel. Speaking of that, I apologize, I know I've been putting out a lot of low-effort, sort of quick videos recently, but I'm mainly just trying to clear my back catalog of projects that I had, which is what this was, and it's also because I have some bigger, larger format videos that are coming out soon that I've needed to put more time into, and I didn't want to leave the channel abandoned for another month while I work on those. But yeah, I want to go ahead and thank everyone for watching today, and I'll see you guys all next time.